Hello everyone, this is Miklos. This will be a quick video about the scissors on Victorinox Swiss Army knives. I guess most of you know those tools already, but I just make this short one because everybody's saying that the Victorinox construction is a very weak one because of this spring that can break, and I hear a lot of time that these other type of springs are much better, like on this, I don't even know what this is, it's a Böker Tech Tool. This one's supposed to be much better because the spring doesn't break. Well, that might be true, but I mean, if the spring breaks on such a Victorinox knife, you can replace it for like 10 cents or something. And this one doesn't break for sure, but most, if not all of these scissors with this spring solution move up and down actually, and I think that makes a precision cut much more difficult. So that's one of my concerns with this. And the other one is the performance. I mean, theoretically this can be better, but does it cut? So let's get these out of the way and let's try to cut a piece of paracord. It has no chance. It doesn't cut through. It gets stuck. Let's try once again. It cannot cut it. Let's see what a Victorinox does. If it would focus. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Now for fun, let's get a classic with the small scissors. That cuts it. Easily. I mean, it doesn't go all the way because it's too small, but yeah. Let's try the Böker again. Might be a good construction. Performance is worse.